So dealing with tooth decay may not be as sexy as dealing with fixing a smile. For example, dealing with tooth decay is one of the most common things that we see. How tooth decay occurs can be different for a lot of different people. To me, the most important thing is both our diet and the way that we take care of our teeth. If we have a lot of acidic things in our diet, a lot of sugary things in our diet, those are the things that are going to lead to tooth decay. At the end of the day, it's a bacterial disease, which means these little bugs that live on our teeth are going to take the acidic environment and the sugar that we eat and use that against us and cause holes in our teeth. There's a lot of different ways to prevent tooth decay, but obviously the main thing we want to do is have a good oral hygiene routine. You've seen some of the products that I recommend in the past, but making sure also throughout the day, chewing on gum with xylitol is a great solution for that, to be able to produce saliva to give us protection. Also using a rinse that has either xylitol or anti-cavity fluoride protection as well. The main thing is we want to shift the balance away from being acidic and sugary diet towards a more neutral pH and less sugary diet throughout the day. Hey, I'm Dr. Weston Spencer and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm one of the leading cosmetic dentists here in La Jolla, California. I've been doing this for well over 10 years now, and I love nothing more than being a part of the transformation of somebody's smile. My channel here is all about most of the questions I get from my patients about how they can improve their smile. Talking a lot about cosmetic dentistry. So we're gonna try to drop a video about twice a month here, so make sure you're subscribed to us and also you have your bell notifications turned on there. So if you have questions right now though, and you want to be able to connect with me immediately, the best way to do that is go to drwestonspencer.com. That allows you to submit a virtual consult request. I usually get back to you within about a day talking about your specific smile and how we can help it. So go to drwestonspencer.com to get all your questions answered right away.